We are sometimes challenged by a customer wanting to tell us how we should do our job. This video is all about that, to guide our customers so tenderly and gently in helping them get to what a logo is and what a logo is not. So join me. So we need to be clear on what a logo is. When we are having a conversation with our customer, we need to understand and be able to convey that message to them. A logo is a symbol made up of text, images that identify a business or a person, because a person could have a logo brand. So a good logo shows what a company does and what the brand values of that company are. So when you get questioned by a customer saying to you, I want to see my products are amazing, and I want to see the street name, I want to see my WhatsApp number, I want to see, and they give you all of these things that they would like you to add on their logo, you need to gently nudge them and even sometimes give them an example of what a logo might end up looking like if we add all sorts of things to what we think a logo is. Because this example that I've made is an example that has all sorts of pictures of products that the company produces, and they are a perfume company with different kinds of products. So clearly the owner wanted to see pictures of the products, wanted to see the name and what they specialize in and their telephone number, etc., etc. And it gets very cluttered. Whereas if you have a picture that symbolizes what the company or the brand does and the name of the company, as well as a tagline, for example, then it's clear, it's simple, and it identifies with the company and the brand. People immediately can see that this is a fragrance. It actually smells very nice, even on the picture, whereas this one looks very cluttered. And what you could do or have a conversation with the owner of the company is to say to them, you know what, I love your ideas, and we could actually put them in a flyer or a pamphlet, because what you're describing is something that you want to give people at the robots. You want to share with people exactly what you do and where to get hold of you. That is not a logo, that's a flyer. And in that way, you're getting more business, because then you're going to design a logo and design a flyer for them. Another test that you could have when you're having this conversation with the company is, can you see what you're describing, these products? Can you see them on a t-shirt? Or can you see them on a cap? Because a logo, for example, like a Nike logo, anyone can identify with the symbol. And even their tagline, just do it. Whenever you see just do it, then you know that that's a Nike brand. That's what a logo is. That's what a logo does for a brand. People can immediately identify with the brand, that it's a Nike sneaker and they want to run or exercise. Whereas if you have all sorts of techie pictures cluttered, it would not help the brand grow. Your job is to help the brand grow. That's why you're a designer. So we're going to jump in on Canva, and we're going to create that quick logo where you just have text and you have images with a tagline. Easy and simple. Obviously, you can use the questionnaire that asks all the right questions in order for you to get to the correct design. I've created a video and I'd link it on the description below, and you can find it on there to see how you need to ask the correct questions in order for you to get to the right design, because you asked the correct questions. So you're going to jump in on logo and you're going to create a blank one. For this one, you're going to add your text. And you're going to go to elements and look for a nice graphic that goes hand in hand with the brand that you're designing for. So we're going to look for perfume, and we're going to look for graphic perfume. and we're gonna scroll through and find one that we kind of like this one. This is beautiful and I loved this one. And you add it on to your design. You're going to download it as transparent background. If you don't have the pro version, you're welcome to try it for 30 days or use remove.bg. Then you're going to go to Photopea and you're going to click on PSD Templates and you're going to click where it says mockups. You're going to scroll down to the free cap mockup and you're going to click on the photopea.com link and you're going to double click where it says your logo and then you're going to hide the text. You're going to click and you're going to drag your transparent logo, size it, click on File, Save as Smart Object, and then click once where it says free cap. And there's your logo on apparel. You could see this on a t-shirt because then it is not as cluttered as the pictures of the perfume, etc. Thank you for joining me. You can jump in on that video. I'll link it so that you get to download the questionnaire as well as learn how to ask the right questions for your design. I'll see you on the next video.